Creating high-quality video content every single week is exhausting. Between coming up with fresh ideas, writing compelling scripts, designing eye-catching thumbnails, and editing endless footage, most creators burn out before they ever hit 10,000 subscribers. But what if you could automate 70% of your production pipeline without sacrificing quality? In this video, I am showing you the exact 5 AI tools that transformed my channel from a stressful side hustle into an automated powerhouse. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a complete step-by-step system to produce twice as much content in half the time. Let us dive right in. Before we jump into the first tool, let us set expectations. This tutorial is built specifically for YouTubers, podcasters, and short-form video creators who want realistic, actionable workflows rather than useless hype. You do not need any coding knowledge or expensive hardware to follow along. All you need is a web browser and a passion for creating. I will walk you through each app step by step, showing you the exact buttons to click, the prompts to copy, and the common pitfalls to avoid. Make sure to stick around until tool number 5 because it completely changes how you repurpose long videos for TikTok and Instagram Reels. Our first essential tool is ChatGPT combined with Claude 3.5 Sonnet for content research and script outline generation. Start by opening ChatGPT and navigating to the main prompt bar. Instead of asking for a generic script, type, "Give me 10 high-retention video hooks about digital productivity using the open loop framework." Look at how it generates varied hooks instantly. Next, copy your favorite hook, switch over to Claude 3.5 Sonnet, and paste it with this prompt. Expand this hook into a detailed YouTube video outline with timing breakdowns and visual cues. Claude excels at structured prose, giving you a detailed breakdown that feels human and engaging. Tool number 2 tackles the hardest part of YouTube, getting high click-through rates with powerful thumbnails. We are using Ideogram 2.0 because it renders sharp, legible text directly inside AI images. Open Ideogram.ai and click on the prompt box at the top. Select the aspect ratio 16:9. Now type, "Cinematic portrait of a tech creator looking shocked at a glowing holographic laptop screen, text 10x creator in bold yellow typography." Click generate and watch 4 distinct variations render in seconds. Notice how clean the letters are compared to other image generators. You can click remix to adjust typography or swap colors on the fly. Tool number 3 fixes messy audio and enables global channel reach, ElevenLabs. Head over to ElevenLabs.io and click on Voice Synthesis in the left menu. Select the speech-to-speech option or use text-to-speech. Choose a natural-sounding voice like Adam or Rachel from the drop-down list. In the text field, paste your polished script section. Adjust the stability slider to 50% and clarity to 75% for optimal human-like pacing. Click Generate. Hear how natural the inflection sounds. Furthermore, click on Dubbing Studio, upload your completed video, select Spanish or German, and ElevenLabs will automatically translate and voice dub your video while matching your original tone. Editing video line by line in a timeline takes hours, but tool number 4, Descript, turns video editing into editing a text document. Open Descript and click New Project, then drag and drop your raw video file into the window. Descript automatically transcribes your entire clip in seconds. To delete a mistake or a long silence, simply highlight the unwanted text on the transcript and hit delete on your keyboard. The corresponding video cut happens automatically on the timeline. Next, go to Actions, select Remove Filler Words, and click Remove All to instantly erase every and awkward pause from your entire track. Tool number 5 is Opus Clip, the ultimate tool for turning long horizontal videos into viral short-form clips. Go to opus.pro and paste your YouTube video URL into the link field, or upload your exported MP4 file. Set your preferred clip length to 30 to 60 seconds and click Get Clips in one click. Opus Clip analyzes your video using AI, detects the most engaging story arcs, trims them, adds dynamic animated captions, and assigns a viral score to each clip. Click Edit Clip to adjust caption colors, add auto emojis, or shift the speaker frame tracking to ensure your face stays centered in 9:16 vertical mode. Now let us cover critical mistakes creators make when using AI tools. Mistake number 1 is publishing raw AI outputs without editing. Always inject your personal stories, brand tone, and unique insights into AI scripts to maintain audience trust. Mistake number 2 is over-reliance on automated visuals without human curation. Use prompt chaining, take output from one tool and feed it as context into another to refine results. Finally, keep a centralized prompt library in Notion or Obsidian so you do not waste time retyping your best instructions every time you start a new video project. By combining ChatGPT, Ideogram, ElevenLabs, Descript, and Opus Clip, you can build a seamless AI content engine that saves you 20+ hours every single week. No more creative block, no more tedious timeline trimming, and no more missed upload schedules. I have put together a free downloadable cheat sheet featuring all the exact prompts and workflow templates mentioned in this video. You can grab that in the description below. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more creator tech tutorials, and leave a comment letting me know which AI tool you are trying first.